Melatonin Benefits with source. Benefits: can support better sleep, could reduce symptoms of seasonal depression, may increase levels of human growth hormone, can promote eye health, may help treat GERD. Dosage. Now foods, melatonin review. Description: healthy sleep cycle, free radical scavenger, gastrointestinal support, non-GMO, a dietary supplement, general health, GMP Quality Assured. Suggested use: take 1 capsule near bedtime with water. Other ingredients: rice flour and gelatin, capsule. Not manufactured with wheat, yeast, soy, corn, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings: store in a cool, dry place after opening. Caution: for adults only. May cause drowsiness. Do not operate a vehicle or heavy machinery following consumption of melatonin. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, especially sedatives and antidepressants, or have a medical condition, including depression, high blood pressure and epilepsy. Keep out of reach of children. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.